puting buhok dyan, guys. Ayan. Kasi, the last Sunday, I bought this one. So, I wanna share, guys, to you because last Sunday, I wanna bought
looks, body, sexy, fashion, your body.
Hello guys! Welcome back! geraldinstravelslife here once again. Yan, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I wanna make some video again. This video is about kung sino may mga puting buhok dyan, guys. Ayan. Kasi the last Sunday, I bought this one. So I wanna share guys to you because last Sunday, I wanna bought this color for my hair. This is a shampoo color for my hair. Kasi talagang hindi na natin guys matatago yung buhok ko na super na siya, mayroon siyang mga white. So nag-start siya guys nag-white from here in the front. Ayan. So naka-cover lang siya guys ng ibang black na hair ko guys kasi hindi pa naman siya as in madami pero nag-start siya from here on the front. So I don't like it. Ayan. Kaya I bought this one. I have before here. Meron akong isa dito na ginagamit guys. Shampoo din siya. Napaka okay naman. So this is one guys. So some of my one of my friend, I bought this one for her and then she said this is very good. The name is Mocaro. This is Mocaro brand. This is for a shampoo for the hair. This is the Ginger Essence Black Shampoo. Ayan. So, they said here on the package, component healthier, smell more fragrant, longer lasting color. This is made from where? Kasi Chinese guys yung nakalagay. So, hindi ko siya alam kung saan ito siya galing. Oh, wala siya dito sa package. Kasi yung package niya guys is all Chinese. Pero I'm not sure if this Chinese or Korean or whatever. I don't know. Dito lang yung package. English niya. Ito lang yung dye. Just dye your hair. Do not dye the scalp. Dye ba yung tawag dyan? Ayan. So, Mocaro. Kasi Mocaro, diba girl? Diba mga diba guys? Parang Korea, diba? Ayan, wala siya guys. So, this is the shampoo guys. So, I wanna show you guys ang kasi maglalagay ako today. So, I wanna show you guys is paano to siya i-apply guys yung shampoo. Hello, yung procedure niya is ito siya guys, yung package yung kaganyan. Wala siya guys, wala siyang procedure kung how me to do this. Kung kailangan bang basain yung hair ko or kasi is Chinese ang niya, ang word niya. So 9 advantages, sabi niya ganun. This is the Ginger Essence Black Shampoo. Ayan siya guys. So I show you guys. So go with me guys. I wanna go to the toilet. So I wanna color my hair guys. So ayan. So ayan guys. So I'm here now in the toilet guys. Right now. And I show you guys I have white here on my this one here. So for now guys, I wanna wash my hair. Kasi kailangan natin nabasahin ito and then before I put in the color block on my hair guys. Ngayon guys, hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko kasi baka okay naman na hindi basahin. So, let's do it! Nagagula naman siya, Ayan guys, ang nabula. Ayan siya, diba? So, just put it a little bit here. Kasi alam ko mamaya pa siya ibabasahin. Ayan, so dito sa kabilang side. So, ayan guys. Naglagay na ako ng color ko sa buhok ko guys. Kasi may puti na siya dito. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina. Ayan. So, nalagyan ko na siya ng color black yung hair ko. So, mag-wait tayo guys. And about like 15-20 minutes or gusto mo is 1 hour para talagang effective talaga siya na mag-stay talaga yung color black niya guys. So, medyo tagalan. Okay lang din naman. Parang, kasi ako minsan kasi pagka dito lang ako sa bahay, so parang gusto ko is maghapon siya dun yung kulay sa ulo ko. Pero, kung normally niya is mga 20-30 minutes, mga ganyan, so pwede na siguro yun siya, normally. Pero sa akin talaga is parang 1 hour mahigit pa siya guys, para medyo dumikit yung kulay itim niya. Kasi talagang lately, so over dami talaga siya dito guys in front. Hanggang dito sa side ko guys. Diyan. Diyan lang. Pero behind of my head, hindi ko siya nakikita. So, all over guys. So, nilagyan ko siya lahat para ma-covered siya kung may mga white-white siya doon sa back ko. So, ayan. So, antayin natin to siya guys in about like an hour para makita natin yung result niya guys kung nag-black talaga siya. So, babalikan lang po kayo guys in a little, just like 1 hour or something. So, habang inantay ko siya guys, so I wanna clean my nails for a while. So, magkakat lang ako ng nails ko and clean a little bit. So, I see you later guys, because I wanna wash my hair later guys. So, I see you. And thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. And I see you later. So, ayan guys. So, hi! Ayan, so, nag-dry na guys yung aking hair in color black hairs guys. So, this time is need to wash now. So, I wanna wash my hair guys for a while in the toilet. And I see you for a moment. So, hi guys!
Geraldin's
Welcome
Travels
back!
Life.
Ayan. So, I washed already my hair. So, nag-black na siya guys. So, over-black na. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. So, wala na siyang masyadong wala na siyang mga puti-puti guys dito sa front. Ayan. So, napakaganda guys yung color black shampoo guys. So, ayan na siya guys. So, tapos ko na siyang na-wash. Tapos, and then, nilagyan ko siya ng cream salad guys. So, medyo nag-smoke siya. Ayan. So, ito yung shampoo guys. Yung Mocaro na black shampoo guys. It's easy. Just put in yung sa bangko ko na maliit na para sa pangkulong ko ng hair lang. So, just mix. Tapos, yun. Nilagay ko sa mukha ko. Tuloy pa siya guys. Ayan. So, tapos binabad ko siya more than 1 hour siya. So, kailangan talaga matagal para makita mo yung result niya guys. At saka may siyang amoy luya. Ginger siya eh. Ginger essence black shampoo. Ayan. So, ayan na siya guys. Yung result ng shampoo ng color black shampoo guys. Ayan. Ito siya. Pero hindi ko siya ma-recognize kung saan siya galing kung from China ba or from Ayan. Ayan guys. So, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like this video guys. I hope you enjoy watching my DIY background video guys. Color my hair. Ayan. I hope you like it guys and enjoy watching. If you are here new in my channel, you are new in my channel guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and just hit the notification bell guys, so you always notify on my next video guys. So thank you for watching for now guys. So I see you in my next one, and thank you so much, and I love you. Bye bye.
Face in your face.